So we got this really awesome add-on for the Thunder Laser. If anybody else is tired of dealing with the keys and misplacing the keys and not having any place to store it, you know, if you leave it in the lock, you could bump it, break it, whatever. This is a fantastic solution here. It's this knob that you can take the locks off, install here, and if I'm strong enough, you can just twist it and undo everything. Twist it, and everything's back on. You can't get much more simpler than that.
So once you're ready to do this, we're going to remove this screw here. And we're going to save this screw. And we're going to save that little metal piece. So with a pair of pliers, you're just going to take that off, and then you remove your lock. With the setup here, this is going to be on the outside, and we're going to rotate it, and we'll show you that here shortly. So it goes in this side here, and we can push it in place. This piece will come in from this side, like so. I'll put that back in a minute. It may cross thread a little bit or seem like it is, but at this point his tolerances are so tight that you may wind up having to use a set of pliers. Again, I think these were some of the first ones he'd ever done. Sent them to us for testing. With a little feedback, I think he's got these so that they thread on a wee bit easier. But you get the point right at the moment, and once I've got this on, we'll come back. This piece now goes into there like so. Their goal is to not to over tighten enough to where it holds. And then you want to make sure that this triangle is in line with this so that you know it's up or it's locked. You may have to bend it a little bit if it doesn't fit right. This one fit perfect as it comes there to make sure it latches over that thin little piece of metal.